At the Savannah International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 60 degrees and falling. Throughout the region, at Hilton Head Island, it was The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Sylvania, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hampton, Lake Warren State Park, Varnville, Steele, Fairfax, Brunson, Gifford and Newington. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KEC 85 in Savannah. We are currently in severe weather operations. Many of our normal forecasts will not be played, so we may bring you the latest severe weather information. Normal programming will resume until severe weather watches and warnings had ended.